Hi, I'm Michael Roberts and this is my cramping video. So in the first example I'm going to be showing a decor panel which had previously been fitted but needed scrubbing and cutting since a quartz upstand had been fitted. Once cut, I marked 22mm from the front edge near the top and bottom of this panel. This is the thickness of the doors. This is my datum for when it comes to fixing. I lined up these markings with the front of the unit and clamped it into position. I positioned the clamps near the height of my fixing points to ensure the panel can't move as I drive in the screws. Organisational standards would allow me 1mm over or under either side of this line, but I checked at regular intervals to make sure that it was pretty much bang on. As you can see, I positioned the front two fixings in line with the hinge plates, as this will then be hidden once the doors have been fitted and the hinges are over the top. Since I can't get a clamp anywhere to hold the back of the panel, I hold it firmly from the outside as I drove screws in from the inside, to ensure the screws don't just push the panel away. I checked my reference markings were still against the front of the unit, used my spirit level to ensure the front edge of the panel was plumb, then stuck white stickers or screw caps over the screws to hide any of my fixings. This ensured organisational standards were met. In the next example, I'll be showing a scenario where regular clamps couldn't be used. We actually used windbags to fit between the cornice and the ceiling, and you pump them up and that just holds them tightly in place. Same concept. I marked out my datum so that I knew exactly where to finish with the panel overhanging the units, so that when the doors are attached to the finishing line. Same again for the pelmet panel that went underneath the wall units at this job. I scribed around the soil pipe, as you can see on this photo, clamped them into position. I worked out exactly where I wanted the lights, took the panel off, fixed the lights to it, put the panel back up with the wires, pulled up into the wall unit above, shown here, and I then clamped it back on, checked my measurements that the overhang was going to be finishing line with the doors, countersunk down into the wall units, and then just fixed it into position using 30mm screws. To meet Teleki standards, the panels would have to finish flush with the doors, and as you can see they did.